Dodge! Dodge! Óculos! Zero! Dodge! Dodge!
Lost in a sea of combat boots, less about turn than wasted youth. When did punk rock become so safe? When did the sea become a joke? The kids who used to live for beer and speed now want their fries and coke. Crusading birds are not allowed. In fact, this key noise levels down. Must separate the church and state. Why don't we put pants on the kids? Helmets and gear and mouthpieces. Then we could ban the fourth and one. Put cameras inside bathroom stalls. We make sure only nice men play. Make every show a magnet. Teach kids to be all they can be. And we can sing my country, 'tis a thee. Sweet land of liberty. When did punk rock become so safe? I know it wasn't Twain or Fletcher who put up the barricades like a stake in the heart. Somehow we got driven apart.